more about simplification fractions. Let's start with example. Simplify as far as possible. Example, x to the power 2 plus x minus 6. The denominator x to the power 2 plus 2x minus 3. Now, find two numbers which multiply to give minus 6 and add up to 1. The answer here, in this case, the numbers are 2 and 3. So, 2 and 3 between two brackets, 2, 3, and minus positive. The same, find two numbers which multiply to give 3 and add up to give 2x. The numbers are 1, 3. X to brackets and positive minus 1, 3. Now the common goes together here, and the result is x2 minus 2, the denominator x minus 1. This is the answer in example number 1. Example number 2, x to the power 2 plus 3x minus 10, denominator x to the power 2 minus 4. Now, open two brackets, x minus 2, x positive 5, and x here is square, x minus 2, and x positive plus 2. Now, the common here is x minus 2. X minus 2 is common, so goes together, and the result is x plus 5, denominator x plus 2. This is the result. Example number 3, 3x to the power 2 minus 9x, and denominator x to the power 2 minus 4x plus 3. Now, the same way. 3. Now, we have to choose the common numbers. So, the common numbers here, or the common, is 3x. Now, 3x outside the brackets, inside x minus 3, and the denominator here between two brackets, xx minus 1 and x minus 3. So the common here goes together, and the result is x minus 1, 3x here, denominator x minus 1. This is the result as shown here. These are the examples and the answers. More about simplification. Simplify as far as possible. X to the power 2 plus 2x, x to the power 2 plus 2x, denominator x to the power 2 minus 3x. Now, find two x numbers, multiply to gives plus plus xx, we factorize, and then to 1. The denominator here also open to practice, xx factorize, minus positive 3, 1. So, the common numbers goes together as shown here. This is 1 goes together, and the result is, or the rest is, x plus 2, denominator x minus 3. More about simplification and questions. 12 x to the power 2 minus 20x, denominator 4x. Now the common here is between these numbers is 4 x to the power 2, and the rest put it inside brackets, 3x minus 5 denominator for x to the power 2. So the common is goes together, and the rest here 3x minus 5. This is the answer. More about simplification. X to the power 2 plus x minus 6, and denominator here x to the power 2 plus 2x minus 3. So here we put 2 brackets, xx 6 1 multiply to give 6 and add up to give 1 is 1x and minus positive the charge. And the denominator here xx put 2 brackets factors and 1 3 plus 3, so goes together, and the rest here x plus 6 and denominator x plus 3. More about simplification. Notice that x to the power 2 plus 7 x plus 10, denominator here x to the power 2 minus 4. This is square. More about simplification. Xx minus 2 positive minus 2 minus 5, denominator here x plus 2 and x minus 2 goes together, and the result is x minus 5, denominator x plus 2. More about simplification. Okay. 6x to the power 2 minus 2x, the denominator here 12x to the power 2 minus 4x. More about simplification and factorize the numbers, and minus plus, and here the same minus plus. Maybe also there are the common here, 6 to the power 2 is the common 2x outside the brackets, inside 3x minus 1, and the other is also the common here are 4x between two brackets 3x minus 1. Now the common goes together, and the result here 2x 4x. Thanks for listening.